Hi ka-cooks! This is how I make chicken siomai. So, paghaluin lang natin lahat ng ingredients. So, we have ground chicken, shrimp, carrots, garlic, onion, spring onion, breadcrumbs, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, egg, oyster sauce, liquid seasoning, and brown sugar. Then it's time to wrap our siomai. Nilagyan ko ng oil para hindi magdikit yung siomai. At ayan, nilagyan ko rin ng quail eggs yung iba. Kain tayo ka-cooks! Yummy!